Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm tired of uploading videos and giving y'all updates on my hair. Unfortunately, since the weather been bad, people been calling in from work, so I've been at work all freaking week. My only day off was Monday and Tuesday, Monday and Wednesday, and every time that I had a day off, I slept. As y'all know, Wednesday, I slept the whole entire day. Tuesday, I was kind of like chilling, starting my hair and whatnot. Yeah, I'm going to try to buckle down tomorrow or probably Monday. I know y'all tired of me doing this, but I promise y'all I'm not being lazy. I'm not trying to, let y'all know what I'm doing. It's just I'm still in the same dang on progress I was the last time you saw me, except I had 4 pigtails. I went ahead and put it in one ponytail because I got tired of my hair sticking outside my hat. But y'all, I kid you not, I've been working every single day. I was gonna get it done today, but they called me in again today. So I'm kind of like, well, I don't know. And then y'all, I had ordered my mirror right from Temu. Boy, I thought somebody stole my stuff, but thank God they gave it back to me. They sent it to the wrong address, or somebody picked it up and put it in their house thinking I was gone. They probably didn't know I was here. But I'm so glad they gave my stuff back. I'm so glad. Y'all wouldn't understand. The girl was out in a tornado storm watch trying to find this mirror. I was not giving up on this mirror. I was trying to call UPS. I was trying to get a hold of Temu. Temu was gonna send me another one for free. But I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that. It's just a little Christian in me. Because, that little girl wanted that for the free and then get my money back. What? But, anywho, me being a Christian, and the best thing to do was not to go that route, to wait. So, that's what I did. I waited to see if it will return. It will turn up. If it didn't come by tomorrow, I would have been contacting Temu. You know what I'm saying? Even though it ain't Temu's fault. It's not Temu's fault. It's the UPS fault. Because where I stay, it's too complex. Like, it's the same community, but it's 2 different areas. And if they go straight, they will go to a different area. But if they make that, okay, when you coming down the bridge, you will make that left. And then you'll come in and you'll go around this curve, but it's another area that's on the right side. And if they turn in there, they gonna go over there instead of right here. And that's what I'm on this side. So yeah. But unfortunately they figured it out. It was a tornado watch in JB, and I don't care. I was trying to get this package. It was expensive. I actually got it on sale. Like this mirror right here, y'all, the price. I got this bad boy for $35, and it's a LED light. Look up the mirrors on Temu and see how much they cost. I guarantee you, y'all gonna be like, yeah, she did that. Man, I was waiting for these bad boys to go on sale. I sure was, because I wanted one bad. But now that I got this, I'm probably gonna go ahead. Hopefully I'm gonna have the energy to do it. Yeah, because I had to get the dog a bath. I had to take him. I got to take him in and out. I tried to do the house training. That didn't work. But y'all, when he run away, he come back home. So I'm proud of him. Shoot, run around. If he wasn't a guard dog, I probably would let him. And I thought he was vicious. He not vicious. The only time he be vicious is when he feel like he has to protect mama. So, yeah. And he love kids. Yeah, he love kids, y'all. Huh, Sarah? You love kids, huh? You don't love kids? Do you love kids? You don't know? He love kids, y'all. That's one thing he don't play about is kids. But man, y'all, I'm so happy I finally got this back. And actually, I didn't think I was gonna get it. I got off and came home and it was sitting on my porch. See, when you do good, good come back to you. Cause what if I'd have did all that extra stuff, and then I would have had to wait a whole nother week for another one. Cause I did the wrong thing, or it ended up messing up in the process. Get it delivered here, or it come back and it's not the right size that I ordered. So I'm surprised it's this big. Y'all, this thing about as tall as me. And it stands on its own, or you can hang it up on the wall, which eventually I probably gonna go ahead and hang mine up on the wall because these cats is bad. And if they tear this one up, oh, it's gonna be hell and high water. But y'all, I caught the sale on this bad baby. I think they was like $65 for one mirror. Yeah. She's a cute. So where the LED light? See? See? Timu be playing. Timu be playing, y'all. But it stands on its own. That's all that matters. It said LED light. Man, y'all send me some stuff. It ain't even the right thing. Yeah, I'm calling Timu back. Because I paid for a LED light and y'all gonna give me something that ain't even an LED light. No. 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 Y'all giving me my money back. Y'all giving me my money back. See? But it's here, so let me see. Why is it saying? Is it saying what? W97. Hang on. Oh, I'm on the phone that I ordered it off of. Well, y'all look at my babies. They admiring themselves. Elijah, say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. He done went under the box. But y'all see, I'm still in the same progress. So I'm off Monday, and I'll probably be off until I'll probably be off till Friday. I don't know. They might end up have to call me in still. But Monday or Tuesday, For sure. For sure. Like, one of these days gonna have to give, y'all. One of these days gonna have to give. I love my job, but I gotta finish my head. If that's the last thing I gotta do. And my boss, he came in today. I didn't even know he was gonna be in today. And he looking at me like, you still got this purple showing? But boss, I've been here all week. I haven't even put the black in there yet. So I mean, it ain't finished. I had to show him like, no, this stuff ain't even done. It's still half done. It's been half done for a week now. Like, I haven't even dipped it yet. It's starting to come down. So, yeah, no, we got to get this girl hair done. She got to get done. Cause, yeah, y'all, my hair is damaged. It's damaged for real. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it up. Leaving protective styles and stuff like that. Dude over here chewing on boxes and stuff. Like, why is you chewing on boxes? I think he teething. He's 2 years old, so I don't know. Did he get all his teeth, or he just like chewing? I think he just like chewing. Cause he just turned 2, so. Yes, can you see that? There you go. Bad. Just bad. He sitting under that box thinking he hiding, just chilling. He love boxes. I don't know what it is about these boxes, but these cats really do love boxes. I don't understand. They box fanatics. Every time I open something, there they go jumping right in it. Like, this mine. But they do like little tunnel stuff. I'll probably just go ahead and get that because I be getting toys that be electric and that mess be running out of battery so quick. I be like, well, I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm not gonna keep charging these things every 5 minutes. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, y'all. I know I need to do something. So I'm doing it now. Y'all bear with me. Like I always say. I'm trying. I'm not being lazy or none of that. It's just when I went to work. I've been working all week. I'm tired now. My yarn's so ugly. But I've been working all week, and when the days I was off, I was catching up on sleep, y'all. Because your girl can't sleep at night. My night is my day, and my day is my night. So, me having to switch that out, y'all understand. It ain't the problem of getting up, it's the problem of going to sleep. I can't go to sleep. My body is so used to me going to sleep in the morning. So, and then the days that I have to work, that's the time I be going to sleep. Like, I have to be at work at 9 or 10 in the morning. And that's the time my body actually shuts down and go to sleep. Because my night is my day. But now my day is my night. I get off work and go to sleep, y'all. I be man, as soon as I hit that door and eat something, as soon as I get in this bed thinking I'm finna watch TV, I'll be out before I even know it. Out like a light, like a light, I forgot the song, but anywho, thank y'all for watching, and thank y'all for listening, and thank y'all for keep coming back, trying to see what I've done, and I'm sorry that I keep, not delivering what I need to deliver, but like I said, like I always say, just, I'm trying. That's all I can say. Time is ahead of me, so, I can't help that. And then plus I got arthritis, so yeah, your girl getting old. She ain't moving like she used to. So y'all keep staying tuned, and don't forget to hit that bell to get all the notifications so you'll know when my next video is posted. And until next time, I love you guys. happiness, love, and peace as always. And please subscribe to the channel. Please share my channel. If you can, leave me a comment on, just whatever, I guess, Basically can't comment on this because it's like, this is just really like story time. And update number 3. Let's pray it won't be an update 4, but yeah, as always, guys, love you, thank you.